Hi traders, this is Sarjun. Welcome to Global Wealth Education Forex Academy weekly Forex forecast. I believe from our previous weekly Forex forecast, you could have gained some good value, knowledge, and caught good number of pips on our expected directions, move, and targets. To verify, please check our previous weekly Forex forecast videos to understand how we trade. To become profitable and a successful trader, you need the right Forex education, tools, and strategies. We made easy to learn Forex for anyone to learn and earn. So dollar index. Dollar index we always check first in order to understand the other pairs direction, moves, and target. We had a nice bullish price action last week. Then now we can see that we had a nice sell-off today morning. And now the price is like getting to the closer to the point of interest that we have marked here. Fundamentally, there are so many things going on. So based on dollar index move, we could able to spot GBP-USD, EUR-USD, USD-CAD, AUD-USD directions and more. Because as we are getting closer to the elections, so we have to play it carefully. Because here we have got all the targets, everything based on the hard time frame price action. So now what next? Now anticipating dollar index to give us a correction, then run lower towards this liquidity, then possibly we have a scenario to get into this price level area as well, which is 92.50. On the other hand, we could anticipate dollar index to run higher and just hit this liquidity and move higher as well, further to move higher towards this price level area. We could possibly get quickly then run it lower and then just drive the price higher. This could happen in the future, and then we could reassess the situations of what dollar index going to give us. Okay, Euro USD. So Euro USD, what we can look for. On Euro USD, guys, we had a nice bullish move today morning, and now I'm anticipating price for a pullback. Then we could possibly look for some buy opportunity from this area towards 1.82 price level area. This one scenario. Furthermore, if Euro USD break this high, then we have a more potential to price to run towards 1.195 price level area. This is the one scenario. The other scenario is if Euro USD push down and just below this level, then we could anticipate price to run further lower towards our target 1.148 price level area. This is what I'm anticipating on Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD going to give us. Let's move on to GBP USD. What we could anticipate on GBP USD. GBP USD, I'm anticipating high price, towards 1.31 price level area. So now we did take a trade today morning, which was triggered. This trade setup we did share with our private members group as well as our free Telegram channel as well. Now we are almost with it's moving 26 pips. Fantastic. So now what is next? Now I'm anticipating price to reach our target. We can bring this trade to break even. Suppose if GBP USD run above this high, then it could run higher towards 1.31 price level area. Possibly from here we could reassess the situation, then to look for some entries, right? So this is what I'm anticipating for now on GBP USD. Our trade is nicely selling off. Let's see what GBP USD is going to give us. Let's move on to USD CAD. So USD CAD, guys. So this trade actually, we did share with this trade setup also with our private members group as well as our free Telegram channel as well. Now we are already in profit of, let's say that about 12 pips. Now at present situation, I'm just looking only buy setups on USD CAD. So it's moving. I hope this will run nicely. Let's see, suppose if the USD CAD break this level, then the price will just move lower. Then we have to reassess the situation to see for another potential good setups. Right, for now, so far so good. Just wait for the market to give us a good pips. Let's see what's USD CAD, how many pips going to give us towards upside. I'm anticipating sell setups on AUD/USD. So let's wait for the price action to give us opportunity. Then we could enter. When we find any potential up setups, we will share with our members group as well as on our Telegram channel as well. And we did take one NZD-JPY trade as well today. So NZD-JPY, today we did take a trade that is triggered. That's nicely is running so far at about 7 pips, I think. It's about, yeah, it's about 8 pips in profit. So let's see what's NZD-JPY, how many pips going to give us, right? And also potentially I'm keeping an eye on EUR-AUD. Hundreds of pips we caught on the EUR-AUD. If you go back to our previous forecast video, we have caught good number of pips on these swings, right? So I've been telling from the day, for a long time, past few weeks, I'm anticipating price to get here. Eventually, we got here today. I think we are getting closely. Yeah, we are getting here now. This was my target. Past few weeks I've been keeping eye on. From here, if you check my previous video, guys, you could able to see that. So from here, we have been taking in and out, making good number of pips on EUR-AUD. Now, what is next? I'm anticipating EUR-AUD to give us a, on pullback. I will look for only buy opportunities. This is what I'm anticipating. Let's go on to 1 hour time frame. So now I'm anticipating EUR-AUD to just run lower on the pullback. Possibly, we could look for some buy setups from this area. These are my point of interest. This is where I'm anticipating buy setups on EUR-AUD towards upside. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe and do share with other people to benefit as well. Our direction targets are purely based on price action and smart money concept. Point of interest are purely based on higher time frame basis. We should be able to adapt the changes. We have to move with the flow because momentum and structure change time to time. Based on that, our trade setups and directions and targets will change as well. I wish you all for the fantastic trading week. Trade safe. Take care.